To begin, it's important to realize that there's more than one way to do multiplication in Excel, and some methods are more advanced. Here, we will concentrate on the basic, simple way to multiply two numbers in a table. We'll use this table as an example to show how to work out anything we need, step by step. There are numbers written in columns A and B. Thanks to an easy formula, we'll multiply them, and the result will appear in column C. First, click on the cell in which you want to display the result. Let's select cell C2 for our first calculation. Now, find the equal key and press it. This works as a signal to Excel that we want to enter a formula in the cell. Then, click on the cell that contains the first number to be multiplied. In this case, it's cell A2. Once we've selected the cell, we can see that another part of the formula appeared after the equal sign, which is the cell reference, A2. Next, we need to add the symbol for the mathematical operation we want to carry out, so we'll use an asterisk, which is used for multiplication in Excel. After that, click on the cell that contains the multiplier, which is B2. What we've just done is told Excel to multiply the number in cell A2 with the number in cell B2. Hit Enter, and you're done. The result is available at once. You can use similar steps to add, subtract, or even divide in Excel. You can watch separate tutorials that describe how to do these calculations in more detail. But that's not all. Here comes a handy little life hack just for you. If you need to multiply the numbers in rows 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we've just created, which is cell C2. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol, then use left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And that's it. Well done. You've managed to multiply the numbers in all 3 rows.